Contract reviewed and approved? Then let's get it signed. Without the print, sign, scan, post, merry-go-round, open your contract from the contracts page. See that tracker across the top? Every contract in Paperless moves through 6 recorded stages: draft, sent, viewed, signed, executed, and copy sent. Right now we're in draft. Both signing parties are attached, and the reviewed document is ready to go. When you click Prepare and Send, you drop the signature field straight onto the document and send it off. The moment it goes out, watch the tracker. The contract moves from draft to sent, and the activity log records exactly who it went to and when. Then the part that used to be a mystery. The moment your client opens the contract, Paperless marks it viewed. No more wondering if it's sitting unread in an inbox. The tracker tells you they've seen it. Your client signed digitally on any device: phone, tablet, laptop. Mark and Julie sign, and the tracker moves again, signed. Every signature is captured in the activity log with a timestamp. Once every party has signed, the contract becomes fully executed, legally locked in, and the final step happens on its own. Paperless emails the executed copy to everyone and stores it against the job. 6 stages, fully recorded, without touching a printer. With the contract locked in, the job is officially on. Time to stop selling and start building. Next up, converting your lead into a project.